you. No. Do you like my goggles? Very fun. Yeah, do you like my goggles? Let's play their toys. Yeah, let's play with our doll's kitchen. Oh, yes. They're going to cook some delicious food. Wait, I know. I'm going to show you something. Look. Very pretty pop rajma rice. That's kind of funny. And now let's begin to start. Yeah. Hello, everyone. No, sis. Where is starting first? It's alright. Come on. I'm hungry. My tummy is starving. Me too. I better take Let's see what is in the Almirah. Let me open all the... Ooh, tasty, tasty fruit. You can open all the things. Yeah, okay. Like this. To everybody show. Where is the plate? Wow. So cool. Look. Wow. Let's open this. Hey, sis. Hey, you can open the last Almirah here. I want to see what's inside. I think there's some food, I guess. I think so. Scissors! I'm opening the boring one. I'm just going to take this pie. What will I want to eat today? I want the pie. Wow, I want to eat some juicy fruits today. Can I have some mango and apple? Okay, I'll give you mango. And apple. And now, apple. Okay, I'll give it you in the plate. Thanks. You're welcome. Where I should keep my food? I'll take that. Choose my plate. I like it. What do I want? My grapes and blueberries. Healthy. Great. I'll wash them in the small sink. I'm going to wash them in the big sink. This is for me. That is for you. Oh my God. Okay. I guess it's not working, so I guess I'll use yours. Apple. Really washy. I better cut it. Now it's my turn. I need some knife. I got it. Can I have some knife, please? Knife. I don't know what to do. Wow, look at this beautiful big pie. I'm doing it too. And I'll get this pie too. And look at this pretty cookie stuff. Oh. Okay, take. I think it's done already. Do not waste the water. Cut. I'll cut it too. My turn. Oh. Cut. I need some French fries. Now I need this plate to keep my fruits. And I'll have some vegetables, of course. So I want the carrot. Carrot? Okay. I want to make a vegetable of carrot and I want to cut it. Still will wash it. Okay, wow. Yummy. Okay, now so I'll cut. So I need knife, not mine. Okay, I'll take out the stamp of it, sister. And what? Junk food is good, right? Hey, junk food is not good. Junk food is not good. But it's not healthy. I like it. Look. You took so many of junk foods. It's not good. You have to eat only one sweet. But I'm not going to get warm meat with them. Yes, you will. Fine, I think you're right. Yes, this for asking me. You're welcome. Oh, my sis said only one sweet. So then I want this big pie. Look, everybody, how it's smashing. Whoa, why cut? Vegetables always cut, and I'm making a vegetable today. Wow. Hey. Wow. Now another big cut. Oh, okay. Sister, like this. Look like this. Yes, good job. Oh, okay. So I just need some other money. Now put Can I have this, please? What, please? Yes, that's healthy. Now let's choose one sweet too. Do you got everybody? Guys, you were taking French fries. Yes, you're taking French fries. I already know. Yes, I do. Tasty. Yeah, I want it. Fruit pop. Okay, then you can eat fruit pop then. I don't want this one. I want this pop fruit. It's very pretty. Okay, so then I want one too. Where is it? Look, everybody. There is strawberry, apple and mango, and last blueberry. And I have the strawberry, mango, and blueberry, and the butterfly on it. Do you like it, guys? You never fry it. Yes, I wanted to. But so I'm done. I'll just take another plate for the carrots. Done. Now I'll take it off. Some broccoli. Now, yummy broccoli. Look at guys. Look at the tasty carrot. Whoa! Oh my gosh. I think since my goggles fell, I guess. Yes, set them up. Look, I want this corn. I want to eat it. Look, guys. Sister Bella, you can have that because I love broccoli. Hey, this is not broccoli. Flower. Oh, I was going to eat the flower. That was, thank God. That was silly, sister. I thought I was going to eat the broccoli. I was going to eat the broccoli. Now to fry in the frying pan. Let it fry. Up a little salt. Sister not looking me. I'm going to get from her plate one thing. Whoa! What? Nothing. I just want to see a thing. Okay, but don't steal it. It's not fair, sister. I'll teach you a good thing. Oh! Whoa! It's frying! Oh, yeah. I was so silly. Huh? I guess this is frying, not this. This is not. Okay, we can go and pick another. Thanks! What do I do next, guys? Do you remember what do I want? Cold drink! Look at this Coca-Cola drink. I love this. I made Coca. I'll use Coca. Guys, look at the funny name I'm saying. Coca. So, what do we need next? I want this one. Sis, can I have it? Go ahead. That's also a cool drink. Whoa. Oh, I'm not drinking that yet. Let's see or eat. Silly. Let's eat. Oh, wait, one more thing, sis. What? Do you remember what about the spoon? I called this spoon. I have a fork. Oh, look. Awesome. This salt too in the vegetables and the fruits. It's a fruit. Oh yeah, vegetables and fruits. That's right. Hey, I want to with the fruits because it's always with the fruits. And that's something. Sister. Yeah. You can put sauce here. Your choice. Because you're cooking. I'm gonna put the sauce in the side. Wow. Guys, do you like what did I cook? Let's just raw chair. Sister, what are you doing? Let's eat. Sister, you were just doing the rocking chair. Yes, it's time for playing rocking chair too. It's so tasty. I have an idea. I'm gonna eat with my hands. I'm gonna eat this one. So tasty it is. I wonder. First, I need a pop cake. See, I finished the pop cake. Oh, great! I think it's tasty. I bet it's better. It's so tasty. Guys, do you like this fruit? It's grapefruit. Tasty. See, we have one more pile of grapes. I finished the grapes now. Sister, I have an idea. Sister, what? 3 for you, 3 for me, vegetables. What? 3 for you, fruits, and 3 for us. And 1 for us, vegetables. Yes, that's right. I guess I'll eat junk food last because it's tasty too. You can just do it. I'll eat with spoon. Okay. I'm gonna. It's so tasty. Yeah. And now you're making noisy again. I just want to drink some cold drink. Oh, it's French fries. Oh, I like to eat the cake. Tasty boy. See, I finished already the French fries already. Oh, the box is empty. Oh, okay. Gonna eat my delicious. I want to eat this corn. Oh. See, it's already finished. I better eat this. I better eat this. I better drink it. I don't need to wait for myself. I'll get here. No, I'm gonna eat this. Take some rajma. Rice. Rajma. See, I'm finishing. Oh, this is dirty, so I must throw it in the dustbin. I'm coming right back. Okay. Okay. Pour all in the dustbin. Okay, get. Where's the dustbin, sis? Oh, sis, you now know the dustbin. Wait, I know it. Wait. Oh, there are two packets of dustbins here. I guess I'll keep this dustbin. Now I'll eat this last one. Now I just need to wash the dishes. Bye. Enjoy this video. Yeah.